So now we've got our basic rectangle of our cab base drawn up. We're then ready to add on the holes for the two exhausts and the pivot. So just if you remember back to our timing lessons, so again the holes are 73mm from the front and 10mm in. That's for the two exhausts, and then the pivot for attaching onto our trailer is 15mm in from the other end. So let's get back to our drawing. Again, start off with a new sketch. Select the top face. This time I'm actually going to draw on a top view. So if I click on top over there, I get a perfect top view. Sometimes a little bit easier to draw on this. Again, I'm then going to select center point circle, and I'm just going to position my circles. Again, avoid the middle because you won't be able to change the dimensions. So again, I'm just going to come a little bit below, draw that circle there. Again, you'll see what I've done. I've just hovered over the first circle, gets it somewhere near in line, draw the second circle. Again, don't worry about the dimensions yet. This time from this end we can use the inference coming down that centre point, and I'm just going to draw that third circle. Once I've drawn them, again, don't worry about where they are. I'm then going to dimension all of them. So we want all of them to be 6mm. Just zoom in, sorry. And then we're going to start dimensioning from the end. So this circle, so again if I just zoom in and pan up, I'm going to select the very centre of the circle and this bottom edge, and I'll get that vertical dimension there. So that wants to be 15. We then go to the top, so just zoom out a bit. Again, pan down, so control right mouse button, so we can get that one. So again I'm going to select the centre of the circle and the top. Drag that dimension, wasn't a bad guess. That's supposed to be 73. Again, hopefully this one has moved. I don't know if you noticed when I drew that, because I inferenced it with that first circle. It's on there. But again, we can just double check. Yeah, you can see it's 73. Again, it'll go grey because we've already dimensioned that, so we can actually delete that. But good to check. And then we're just going to dimension it from the edge. So I'm going to select the centre of the circle again, select this left-hand edge, and that measurement should be 10mm. I'm going to do exactly the same on the opposite one. Again, change that to 10. I'll just zoom out there. So we've got all our dimension right. All the holes are 6mm diameter. We're 10mm in from the edge, and we're 73mm down from one end. And the other one is 6mm diameter, and then 15mm up, and bang on the centre line. So once we're happy we've done all the dimensioning, let me just move that so you can see. We then click the tick box, and then we're ready to remove material. So extrude. Again, I'm just going to rotate the work so you can see it. So I'm just using my holding my right mouse button. Again, you can still see the sketches there. I'm going to remove material this time, and then I need to select those three circles. Again, you've got to be careful on what you select. So if I just hover over the edge of that face, you'll see that everything's selected. So I just need to be on the inside of that circle, the inside of that circle, and the inside of that last circle. You'll see it's trying to give me a preview. We don't need to go as deep as that. We're only going to remove 10mm, so we're doing a blind hole 10mm deep, and then click on the thing. So hopefully you'll be able to see that that doesn't go all the way through, and we've got our three holes all finished. Once we've got to that stage, we're then just going to add that appearance. So click on the appearance bar, double click on the icon, and then select our colour. Click on the green tick box, minimise that, and again, because we finished it, I'm just going to remove all these planes at the moment. So I'll hide that, and I'll hide our little origin. So we've got our finished cab base.